Hello friends, welcome to Real GPL once again. Today we are going to talk about another very good theme. The theme name is TheGem, which you can see here on the screen. So we'll talk about how to install the gem, and once installed, then what is the process for demo import. Because many of you have asked in the support ticket, so I thought to create a tutorial so that it will help each and everybody on our website and the other community on YouTube. So let's have a look on that. First of all, you need to download, which I already have done. I can show you the file. Okay, let me go to downloads. I can show you the file, the gem. Okay, you can see the gem archive file here. So let me first of all unzip it. Okay, so I'm going to unzip it here. So after unzipping, we got the gem folder. I'm going inside that. If you go inside, you can see like we have the gem for Elementor, the gem for WP Bakery, because here, for WP Bakery and for Elementor, they have different set of things. So it is up to you like which one you want to install. Right now I will show you Elementor. Okay, and other than that, we have child theme for Elementor and WP Bakery both, and we also have demo sliders. Okay, which you can install under Revolution slider if you want. Okay, so you can see the file here. The file is a 54 plus megabit file. So what I'm going to do, I will directly install it through cPanel, okay, or the file manager, because if I install it through the normal way, it may get stuck in between. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to do, you need to go to your cPanel. Then go to the file manager and then go to the respective folder which you have stored your website. So for me it's public HTML, and then test folder. Inside that you can see I have the list of WordPress core files. Under that you should go to WP content, then you should go to themes, then click on upload, then select your file. Okay, the Elementor one I'm going to choose. Click on open and wait for the upload. So it is now uploaded. So I am going inside the respective folder. Click on reload and then unzip the gem archive file here, which is done. Let me reload. You can see on the gem Elementor folder here. Inside that you can see there are many things, in which plugin folder is also there. Okay, which contains the required plugins for the gem theme. Now once you have unzipped the file in the respective folder, you should go to the WordPress now. Okay, and then go to appearance and then themes. You will see your theme there, but you need to activate it. So I'm going to click on activate. Once activated, it will ask us to install the required plugins. And you can also see like the purchase code is valid, so you don't have to do anything. Don't play with this code. Okay, just click on begin installing plugin, then select each and everything. From bulk action, choose install and then click on apply. This will install the required plugins for the TheGem theme to work. And it may take some time depending on your hosting performance and your network speed. So for me, you can see all is done except one, that is Elementor. Okay, download failed, not found. So what we can do, it's Elementor plugin, it's free plugin. It's not talking about Elementor Pro. So just go to plugins. First activate each and all which are just installed. Okay, go to plugins first. Don't install the demo here, just go to plugins. Okay, and you can see this is the extra plugin. I'm going to delete it. Now just click on add new, then search for Elementor, and install it manually. Click on activate to get it activated. Once activated, the warning will be gone. Yeah, gone. all plugins are activated. There are some plugins which are asking for update, which you can get in the theme update, or you can buy it separately from the website. Okay, I am just crossing these things. Now let me go to the TheGem section and let me go to demo import section. As you can see here, we have a lot of demos that can be imported, but for now I'm going to install the first one, which is building construction. So I will click on this, and after clicking we are getting two options. One is install complete pre-built website, and the second one is install single page, which we don't want to do. We want to install the complete website. So just click on next step, then just click on submit, because we will be importing theme options, media files and sliders and all. So just click on submit and wait for the demo to import. You can see the demo import is in progress, and again it can take some time here as well. And while it is in progress, I would like to show you something that is very important for this theme. So go to your php.ini editor in your cpanel or whatever panel you have, and you just need to make sure few things here, which is max execution time, that is 300, max input time, which is 600, max input variables, which is 5000, memory limit, which should be 256 plus megabytes, post max size, it should be 128 plus, and then upload max size, it should also be 128 or 64 megabyte plus. So make sure to have this configuration before installing this theme. Okay, if you don't know how to change this, go and talk to your hosting provider or share your cpanel details with our team in the support ticket. They will do it for you. Now let's go back to the demo import section. You can see the installation is in progress, so we'll wait until it happens. Okay, you can see demo has been successfully installed and you have a new website. So let me check it on a new tab, like if we got the building construction demo as it is, the way we wanted. I think yes, we got a complete website, and that too without any problem. So I should say you got a good deal here. And I would like to say you something else here. We are offering a 10% discount on our membership plans. So if you have not joined that, you should join that. The coupon code is MEM10, which is coming on the screen as well. So join a membership plan and get access to all our products for a certain duration. So I think we'll be joining that very soon. And one more thing, and that is lifetime deals. So if you're looking for original license and that too for a lifetime, you should must check this. We're adding new lifetime deals every month here. Thank you very much for being our valued customer. Have a good day. Bye bye.